This building up in the left. Looks like a egg. Hindi daw sa focus ka lang dali.
side.
Magle-left na yata. Magle-left.
Tayo.
Wait, mommy, it's so noisy.
Yeah.
So, diretso na tayo.
Why you on
Parang
the
magle-left. Ha?
We have to on the 80.
Yeah, because if you exceed, you will have a fine.
Sa camera.
In 1 kilometer, stay to the left.
To the left now. Stay to the left.
Ito, sundin natin yung Yas Island.
Oh.
Papuntang Yas Island yung ano yung direction niya.
That's not. We will see the wind.
Another dark na naman tayo.
Another dark. May
Stay to the
lamang
left.
pa.
In 800 meters, stay to the right.
In 800 meters. Stay
Looks
to
like
the
going
right.
to Yas.
Yeah. Kilometer going to the right. What ano? 500 meter?
Yeah, 540.
Dito na tayo. After nito, ano, ikot na tayo. Nandun yung Cleveland
In
sa right.
300 meters, stay to the right.
Stay to the
Then
right.
stay to the left.
Stay to the right and stay to the left. Ano ito?
Wow,
Right.
dagat.
But it's man-made.
Stay to the right. Then stay to the left to Jacques Chirac Street.
Right and left. Jacques Chirac Street. Ah, saan na? Jacques Chirac.
Chirac.
Where's the-
Jacques Chirac Street.
Tama na tayo? Tama. Jacques Chirac.
Oo. Tapos, mag-ano tayo niyan, mag-left.
Stay to the left. Ito.
In 900 meters,
Sandali.
stay to the right.
Stay to
Sandali.
the right.
Stay to the right.
Hindi. Dito na tayo na left. Jacques Chirac.
Abraham family.
Ito na ba may
Oo. Dali na.
Ayaw, tama na.
Diretso.
O, tama na tayo.
Kasi may pangalan niya Abrahamic
Oo.
family siguro.
That?
Ito na ba yun?
Yeah.
Yan.
Ito na yata.
Hanap tayo ng parking.
Oops.
In 500 meters, turn right.
Dito na?
Sandali. Abrahamic family.
Diretso o parking na? Ito yung parking eh.
Kaya siguro maraming din. Dahil alam na
Parking na to.
In 300 meters, turn right.
Kaya siguro dahil alam nila.
Ito na yata eh.
Oo. Sandali.
Even there are Jewish people here.
Yeah. There are even Jews.
This I'm seeing is Jews.
Yuso?
I saw
They
a
have
Jew.
nose.
Yeah, their nose is so. I saw a Jew, right?
Oh, there, we will cross. Park na lang tayo dito kasi baka puno doon.
Hindi ko alam agom kung saan.
This is for Muslim.
Brother, we can park here?
We can park here.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
But the Abrahamic family house, where is it?
For the St. Francis house. St. Francis Church. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
No problem. Full, parking full. Oh, we will look for a parking.
What? Yeah, inside daw.
Inside. At least dito tayo sa free parking na napunta.
Parang may ano.
Pwede din doon.
Oo.
Inside daw eh.
Yeah, he
Pwede?
said inside.
He said inside? I think he said inside.
Yeah. I think
Okay.
inside.
Wala.
Wait, where's the church?
We will walk.
Hindi ka sa construction to.
There's like bodyguard there.
Brother, okay to park here? Okay to park here?
Coffee mushkin.
No problem, huh? Yeah. Okay. Parking, no problem, huh? Okay. Parking, ano na to? Ito na yung parking.
They even put ano.
It's parking for all. See, it's parking for all.
Where's the Jew? I don't see a Jew.
Near ready.
Ay, thanks
Thank you,
God.
Lord.
At saan ang ano? May mga
Okay, first time kami nakapunta dito. So, napunta kami dito sa free parking and then yun ang destination na pupuntahan namin. Abrahamic family. Okay. Which building is we need to cross the pedestrian lane.
dito.
Yan na. We are near. Andun pala yung Abu Dhabi Lure. Yun oh. Yung parang museum na yun. Taga. Oo. Kung ang Dubai mayroon ay yung dito naman mayroon ganun. Ang ganda. We are here. Kaya lang sabi sa amin baka sarado na daw. Makiusap na lang ako. Sana may kita ko dyan yung kaibigan ko para makapasok kami. Okay. Ano kasi bawal itong ano ko, itong mga camera ko dito. No.
I thought not allowed.
Not allowed. Thank you. Nakarating din kami. Thank you and God bless.